What's up everybody, welcome back to another Ds18 unboxing video. I'm Mr. Ds18 and today we're going to show you guys the new ZXI 10-inch sub. A lot of people have been asking for this sub. They've been asking, do you have a high excursion big surround subwoofer? ZXI baby. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Here we go. Ds18 sticker, manual, cardboard, and let's take this out of the way. Whoa, look at that, look at that. Check this bad boy out. 1, 2, 3, 4 magnets. Look at that huge surround. It's heavy. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. Nice butt connectors, very nice suspension, nice cone, the basket, stamped basket, real nice. Let's check out some specs on this bad boy. 10 inches, dual 4 ohms, 800 watts RMX, 1600 watts max power, 86 dBs, plays from 20 hertz. 2.5 inch voice coil, black aluminum. This is non-pressed paper. Let's see, ferrite magnets. Pretty impressive sub. We also have added in our manual the recommended enclosures, either sealed or ported. Now I'm gonna take this bad boy to the other room and see what kind of excursion videos we can get out of it. So stay tuned. Did you guys see the excursion on this bad boy? That's pretty intense. Thank you guys for tuning in to the Ds18 unboxing videos. I'm Mr. Ds18 and we like it loud.